अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर यूट्यूब वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा यहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलियन गाय। ये हैं जी पीछे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, ये पोर्ट मैक्वारी और सिडनी के बीच में जगह बेमर डेयरी फार्म है, उधर का है ये। उधर वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूँ ये, तो आपको दिखाएंगे, उनसे करते हैं बात और गाय दिखाते हैं आपको ऑस्ट्रेलिया की किस तरह की हैं और क्या हिसाब किताब है इनका, कैसे चल रहा है। इन्होंने अपने हर गाय के ऊपर ना नंबर प्लेट लगाई हुई है, नंबर उसका लिखा हुआ है। ये है जैसे इस पे ये इसका नाम है और नंबर शंबर लिखा हुआ है सभी गाय पे, ये आप चेक कर सकते हैं। इस पे भी इसी तरह सभी पे है। और कोई भाग जाती है अगर इधर से, इन्होंने इन साइडों पे ये रस्सी लटकाई हुई है। ये सारा मतलब एरिया है इनका, इसी में ये रहेंगे। इन्होंने बांधना नहीं होता इनको, इन्होंने इधर ही रहना। जब इनका दूध निकालना है तब इनका डेयरी फार्म है, तो होप्स आपको वो भी दिखा सकेंगे जहाँ पे मशीनरी के साथ ये दूध वगैरह इनका निकालते हैं। ठीक है, और अगर कोई भाग जाती है तो ये बाइक इन्होंने रखी हुई है, इस पे पकड़ के लाते हैं। ये इधर का सीन
at the moment is probably $2,000 Australian. Like it depends on
on their
quality,
type
yeah, quality,
So-
the breeding and stuff like that. Yeah,
The one called the cost is 2,000 Australian dollars.
average. Yeah,
how much
like some might be $1,500. Some might be $2,500.
2,500.
It just depends on the quality, like buying a car.
Yeah.
Depends
Yeah.
what you get.
Yeah.
You know, how old it is, how much milk it gives. What brand it is, whether it's Jersey or
what is the average outcome of milk
What is Jersey?
from one
the average milk.
average outcome?
Look, probably at the moment, average, you're looking at 20 to 22 litres per cow. Some farms give more, some farms
Per day?
give less. Yeah, per day.
Okay,
Yeah, per day.
then how do you sell that milk in the market?
It we don't sell it, so we supply a company.
Okay,
The company takes
Dairy
all the
farmers.
milk.
And they
Yeah,
just
dairy
put the
farmers.
labels and just
Yeah, well, they come with the big truck,
yeah.
put it in the big truck, and then they take it to the factory. And that.
So can you
that's
tell me
it.
how much kg or how much liter you give you sell them?
What's that?
How much per liter you sell them to company?
To the company, I think at the moment it's maybe 60 cents
60 cents per liter.
per litre.
Really?
Yes. But it
60 cents per liter.
And they are selling
and they sell them
130 230 and like that.
Yeah.
60 cents.
55 cents, 55 cents,
Yeah.
60 cents. Yeah. It needs to be 75 or 80 cents at least.
Yeah.
But we're organic here.
Yeah,
Yeah, so we're organic farm. So it's a little bit different. So you want to have a look at the dairy where we milk the cows?
yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
for your appreciating.
Yeah, that's okay. How many cows do you have in Pakistan?
We have maybe 70 to 80 cows in Pakistan,
Yeah, okay.
including
Chhad
Jaipur
raha.
and something like that.
सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने वास्ते।
Maybe 100, around 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you milk the buffaloes.
Yeah, buffaloes and cows. Yeah.
What do you do with the buffalo milk?
We just sell it.
You just sell it.
Yeah.
Cow must
To say, if I was to come to your farm, you would sell me buffalo milk, or does it go to a factory?
No. We sell like directly to customers, not to company.
Direct to customers.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, directly to customers, not to a company.
Yep.
What is the purpose of that bandage which is on his?
There.
Yeah.
So we only milk her for on 3 teats.
On?
Right. So see at the very back.
Yeah.
See how it's really little.
Yeah.
So that one's not milking.
Oh.
And then that way you know that that one is
that is
only
a tag
the
for
three.
that, yeah.
Exactly.
मतलब ये दूध नहीं दे रही है अभी फिलहाल।
हाँ फिलहाल नहीं दे रही, इसलिए उसको टैग लगा दिया।
उसे टैग लगा दी कोई, ये भी दूध नहीं दे रही है सही। अली इसकी टैग की तूने की इसकी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड?
हाँ,
मुझे ये ना सेंड करिए टैग, वो जो उसके पाँव की टैग।
बाकी ये कानों पे इनके नंबर प्लेट लगे हुए हैं।
So how many litres do you get from your cows?
How many liters
Yeah.
per day?
Yeah. From the cows, not the buffaloes, the other one.
Just for cows.
Yep.
Pakistani cows are not like
They're what, 10 or 12 litres?
No, maybe less than.
Yeah.
no less than 10, less than 10 liters.
Yeah, 7 to 9
Yeah.
average.
But what breed are you got?
with a Pakistani.
Breed?
Mixed
Mixed breed, like a
Sahiwal.
and Pakistani breed, genetic breeds.
You got
so,
photos?
Sorry,
Have you got any photos of your cows?
fighters.
Photos.
photos. Not right yet.
You got any pictures?
Let me check.
Go on Facebook.
ਹੁਣ ਲੱਭ ਕੇ ਵਿਖਾ ਹੁਣ ਫਸਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਾ
When we milk the cows, we have a dairy where they get milk.
Yeah, dairy farm. So
Where it is?
So how you get
That's
the
up
milk?
the top.
So how you get the milk?
How do I get them? With the machine.
With the
Yeah,
machine.
machinery,
Yeah.
of course.
So can you have a look at the machine, please? If you.
If we have time. Yeah, I'll be just about to go home.
Ah.
Yeah. So do you have a dairy farm in Pakistan?
Yeah,
do you?
yeah. So that's why I just came here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. इस
Okay.
तरफ को ना मेरी.
Yeah. Well, so the cows they live outside all year round.
Yeah,
Summer, winter, everything.
In Pakistan we just lock it with cows in lock it.
All day, every day.
All them.
These
Because
cows
in
give
Pakistan
maximum
we have not much space.
15 kg,
in
I think.
Pakistan, So it's our like.
Yep. Yeah. So they get locked up.
Yeah, a lot.
Peter, sorry, that fence is on.
There are few cows.
Yeah. Sometimes.
So what happens? There are animals like lions or tigers, something. No?
Nothing. Australia does not
ये
have
देखो मैंने अपनी हैंड
any
अली
animals.
ओपन है कर मैं हैंड ड्रिल लेके
हाँ हाँ ओपन
मेरे अंदर मोबाइल ही फड़ लें यार.
If you have to give any oxytocin
Yeah.
to a cow, now buffalo might be different, I don't know. But for cows, okay, if you have to give oxytocin, you have a problem.
Really?
You are going
Yeah.
to jail.
No, not that bad. You can use oxytocin in
Yeah,
Australia.
yeah,
like when you have a problem.
Yeah.
But in general, no. We don't have any at all.
कहती थी कि एसिड यूज कर दे
Right? And happy, okay?
It is not needed
Then
that
it's not needed. She's right. Have you got children?
children
Yeah, you got kids?
no.
Children? No. What about you? No, not yet. No kids?
We are not
what
married.
About him? Any kids?
we all are single
He's all single.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you tell me how much cost for the like a little child?
A calf.
Yeah.
Look, the little babies at the moment that are 1 week old, you're looking for a male would be $120 of the ones that I have.
$120. Really?
Yes. And the
सस्ता ही है यार।
female,
12,000 था।
females would be 200 to 250.
250.
it's cheap
$250 for 1 week old for babies.
For babies. 250.
Yeah. For a female.
हाय गाइस एक दफ़ा मैं स्टार्ट से आपको बता दूं कि ये कैसे गाय सबसे पहले आती है इधर आके उसका मुंह इधर को करते हैं ये इधर ये इसको चारा डालते हैं ये चारा है इसमें इधर से ये इसको खींचते हैं रस्सी को इधर से ये इसको खींचेंगे वो उधर से चारा आएगा वो जैसे वो देखा उस उधर से चारा आया है इधर से खींचेंगे गाय उधर चारा खाने लग जाएगी उस मुंह उधर को होगा और इधर से ये जनाब ये है मशीन जिसके साथ ये दूध निकालते हैं ठीक है ये उसके थान पे लगाते हैं ये उधर से दूध जाता है इस मशीन के अंदर छोटे बॉक्स में इधर से फिर ये पाइप लगा हुआ है ये पाइप ऊपर को होके जाके इधर ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा टैंक है इसके अंदर जाता है और इधर से आगे ये लार्ज साइज़ का एक ट्रंक रखते हैं ट्रक आता है ट्रक इनके पास उसके अंदर इस तरह का बड़ा बॉक्स होता है काफ़ी ह्यूज जिसमें ये सारा पाइप जुड़ा हुआ है और सभी गाय का तकरीबन 16 है ये कह रहे हैं कि एक टाइम में 16 का निकालता है इस साइड पे और 16 का उस साइड पे तो मतलब इधर से ये जब दूध निकालते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिक उसमें जो ट्रक होता है जो जिस ट्रक को ये आगे मार्केट में सेल करते हैं कंपनी को देते हैं ये आगे कंपनी आगे मार्केट में सेल करती है उसको पैक करके तो ये ऑर्गेनिक मिल्क उनको देते हैं सिंपल इधर से निकाल के तो वो आगे सेल आउट करते हैं तो ये इधर का फंक्शन है ऑस्ट्रेलिया का हाँ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्या दिखाते हैं ये
So why he got like too big?
Why? Because he's drinking on his mother.
He's drinking on his own mother.
Yes, whereas these.
ये इनके जो बच्चे हैं गाय के ये छोटे छोटे ये सारे
He
इधर
gets a
अलग
lot
हैं
more milk. That calf.
इनकी प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा कम है तकरीबन $250 ऑलमोस्ट मतलब 25,000 20,000 इस तरह इनकी प्राइस
30
है
litres a day.
इनकी प्राइस इस ऐसे
30 litres in 1 day. That calf. 30 litres. 1 day. Yeah, 3 cows. That's why he looks big.
पापा जी मैं ना तो
Right? What I was saying about what they eat will make the difference.
एक दिन
You
का
see?
दूध पीना 3 गावां ਦਾ तो इसलिए
That's
ना
why
8
they grow
महीने
up.
ਦਾ How much goes for this? $120.
No, that was 1 week old.
How much for that?
These ones here, the big ones,
Like
about $650, $700.
$700 का एक.
Yep. And the little ones there maybe 400.
For which one?
The smaller ones,
$400.
4 to 500. Yeah.
so all are male or females?
अब अच्छी है जो
Females and there's some with the blue ear tags
बच्चे
male.
उधर गंदी को जरा थोड़ा पड़ेगा
But
ना
this one here is a bull.
$700
The real one? The
Huh?
fighting bull?
Pardon?
ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਖੁਦ ਫੀਡ
No,
ਕਰਦੇ
no, for breeding.
ਫੀਡਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਰੀ ਹੋਈ
So you still,
ਫੀਡ ਕਰਾ
Yeah.
ਟੈਂਕੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ
the
ਟੈਂਕੀ
other
ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
ones,
ਨਿਪਲ
it's
ਲਾਏ
all gone.
ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਂ
Oh.
ਪਰਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਾ ਦੇਵਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਧਰ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ
इसमें जो बड़े हैं ना इनकी प्राइस कह रहे हैं कि $700 है, 650 है तकरीबन. ये पाकिस्तानी रुपीज़ में तकरीबन 60-70 हज़ार बनता है. और जो छोटे हैं इनका $400 तक है, मतलब 40,000 का छोटा है. और जो 1 वीक का होता है जब पैदा होने के बाद उसकी प्राइस 200 होती है तकरीबन. ये जो है इनके पास अलग इन्होंने रखे हुए हैं, इनकी माएँ नहीं है. तो जो उस साइड पे जो है वो जो पहले वीडियो में थे उधर जो है उनकी माएँ हैं, तो इनको ये खुद फीड करते हैं इधर से खुद, मतलब इनको दूध पिलाते हैं. तकरीबन 30 किलो एक को एक दिन में दूध पिला रहे हैं ये, और उनकी ग्रोथ ज़्यादा करने के लिए.
Breed. Where do you say you are, Pakistan?
And all the cows are mentioned.
Yeah.
This is a magazine.
Yeah, where is it?
Pakistan?
No, I don't know. I'm trying to find. No, there isn't.
No, it's not in this.
No, but this is the main company in Germany. So I mean, if it. Stop. Right. So these are in. Right. Some of these are South African.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
These are South Africans.
Now you can have this. This is for you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. There you go.
Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Ball pakda hai. Oh, thank
No, he wants you to throw it, sir.
Yeah, of course.
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, he's just playing.
Yeah, he's playing. I know.
Yeah, leave it.
Let me get this one. Go.
Ready?
Okay, you are coming or down or
Yeah.
staying here?
Yeah, no, I'll come on the motorbike.
Oh,
You can ride the motorbike as well. Yeah. She's going to ride this motorbike now.
okay, my.
Where's his dad in Pakistan?
Yeah.
So he's on. It's amazing.
He's just showing his daddy everything like.
They might be thinking about to expand their business
Oh,
in
okay. Yeah,
Pakistan.
yeah. See, the cows, like the breed I have, they're from Germany. See, they do beef and milk. So I can get a lot of milk, but I get the beef as well. And then that way, if milk prices get low,
Yeah.
I can make good money. So at the moment, milk prices are low,
Yep.
but beef
Then-
money is
oh.
very good.
Yeah.
So that way I can make
You
money
are-
on the beef. When milk prices are high, beef money is low, I
Then
make
you'll-
money. And that's how they do it in Europe, in Germany and that, where they milk the Fleckviehs. They're always able to win because they've got one cow can do two things. You see?
Yeah. How much time you spend with these cows? Almost how much hours?
How many hours?
Yeah.
Every day?
Yeah, every day.
Every hour.
Every hour.
I might not be with them, but you know,
You are 24 hour on duty.
What's that?
You are 24 hour on duty.
That's it. No, look, to do milking, it takes maybe 3 to 3.5 hours per milking, so that's twice a day,
Oh,
in
okay.
the morning and the afternoon, right? And then during the day, you know, you do fencing or plant pastures or something, you know, yeah. But with them, look, one-on-one, it's probably 2 hours per day.
It's a boring job or a fun?
What's that?
Is it boring or fun?
fun?
Fun.
Oh yeah,
So you love to do
I
that.
love to do it. I absolutely love to.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing?
This
Yeah.
24 years.
24 years. How old are you?
But here, six and a half years. So these are
Yeah.
my,
you like in other country?
in Australia, and then I did go to America for a little bit. It was 10 years in America. How old am I? I'm over 40 now.
Yeah.
How old are you?
41.
41.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's been 26 years you are in this field.
Nah, 24.
24 years.
24 years, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 24 years. Yeah, I was 17. See? 17. I finished school and went working on farms, yeah. But I worked for somebody else.
Oh.
6 years, 6.5 years that I've been doing it for myself. So these are my cows, my business. The farm is not ours. We rent the farm. Yeah.
That farm.
Yeah.
From-
Yeah, so this is one farm.
From government?
Okay.
No, private.
So,
So-
This is private.
Yeah, private. Yeah, government doesn't own the government doesn't own the land. Somebody buys it. So if I wanted to buy a farm, I just have to have enough money.
Almost how much? How much money is needed to start this business?
Look, to get started, if you were to say look for 100 cows, okay? You need a farm that can milk 100 cows. That farm will cost you probably $1.2 to $1.5 million.
Okay.
And then if you buy 100 cows at $2,000 each, that's another $200,000. So you're sort of about $1.5 million.
So if anyone want to start this business, he can start from $1.5 million.
You can see if you have a $1.5 million in
For 100.
yeah, 1,500,000. Yeah,
excuse me, do you have like big calves?
big calf.
Calves, yeah.
No bulls. Why?
I want to give how many?
How old? What age?
Sorry?
What,
How old?
What do you want to see? The big calf?
Yeah.
No, they're at another property.
Other property.
Yeah, like the
like-
big heifers. We have
चलिए चलिए वे के ही
Yeah.
the heifers.
Yeah.
No, they're at another farm. They're not here.
Okay.
And we have no bulls except
bulls.
no, only that little one.
Yeah.
That's the
इतना
only
नहीं
bull.
है गंदी साढ़े को सब छोटे ही है ना.
Okay, we are really thankful to you for all that information and
Oh,
thank you so much for that.
Give me your time.
We really appreciate that.
So-
We'll share this knowledge.
Well,
Thank
thank
you
you
very
very
much.
much.
Thank you.
Yes, all
We,
the best.
Yeah, we really appreciate for that.
Yeah, no, that's
you so
okay.
much.
Have a good day.
You too, yeah.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.